guys, I'm back. Shout out to Hannah. We have to repost this video because somebody called me. So we're gonna be making this slime. I'm just gonna add it in there. That's all.
By the way, shout out to Hannah.
You're gonna need salt, 3 shampoos, and that's all. Oh yeah, you need a freezer too, I guess. Ow! Ow! Ew. You need 3 shampoos. At least 1 or 2 thick ones. Well, this one is not thick. This is called fart shampoo. So we're gonna let this fart for a second.
Subscribe to Hannah video.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to Hannah.
Andy, this keeps falling. Okay.
Call it the fart master.
This is about how much I'm adding. That's about how much I'm adding because I already made some. So yeah. And let me go.
This video.
Hey! Ah! Hey! Ah! And then I add some swab kids. At least 1 squirt. Oh, this is Elsa?
Oh. I don't like it.
And let me go add the other one. It's blue. No!
What?
Oh, okay. I'm still alive. And I'm going to add about this much blue. So let me go mix. Doesn't really stick.
Sophie's not here anymore, is she?
I don't know. She went to go eat. That's all.
They never let me ruin any video.
Ow! Pony's dead.
Hey! That's my pet.
No, it's not.
I know.
Yeah. No.
There was a fly in your hair. Now it's on your back.
Oh my god.
They like the light. They don't like the dark.
I know.
You should probably turn out the light. Oh, it got in your hair again and flew away.
It's oven. Okay, you want to keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it.
I don't like light. I mean, I don't like the dark.
And yeah, I'm gonna touch it. It doesn't really have anything there. Just a little.
Shout out to Hannah.
Why do you keep saying that? You already said that.
I know. I could bring. I can say a word a lot.
She was our first subscriber.
And now
ever.
and I gave her a paper to watch a video, and now I said get it back, but I didn't.
Gotcha. I'm pretty happy right now, though.
Huh?
I'm pretty happy right now, though.
That I didn't.
If you see it like this, like
Wait,
dripping, if you see it like going up, then your slime is almost done. It's
Were
almost
you
done.
happy that I didn't got the paper back?
Why do you always have to ask that?
I don't know. Maybe because I'm great with strings.
Keep mixing it for at least 30 or 1 minute. So yeah.
This trick.
1, 2, 3.
I did a magic trick on my school before.
Okay.
Twice.
What was it?
And I think when I got up high, I didn't know catch it. The first magic trick when I drop a thingy.
If you poke it and it leaves like holes and it doesn't stick to it, then it's almost, it's like ready. It's ready. Poking it and it's nothing under.
Pick a card, any card, and then they pick a card. Then
And you put pretty hard pressure.
check the
There's nothing. Look, put in pretty hard pressure and there's something. See, nothing. Now I'm gonna go get the
Oh
salt.
man, I know why I'm really too much.
I'm gonna go get the salt now. Let me go.
Oh, there is nothing.
Okay, we're here. Let me go get the. Oh God. Okay. I have gotten the salt. Now let's go. I am touching it. It's not even sticking to my hand, like finger.
Oh, you never told me you got chips.
Those taste bad. Those are pickles. Let me go back in the room where my grandpa doesn't really come. I'm so itchy now. Why? Okay. Yes. Okay. I got about this much. You want to get one of your fingers, dry it off, I guess, and then you put it on the top of the salt. This is how much I'm gonna get. Do it at least a little bit at a time. Let me put it on top. I'm gonna put it on top of this, just in case. And then you get to mix it once you put in the salt. Don't add too much or it's gonna be watery. Keep mixing it until it's gooping up a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot. Yes. This is how mine is right now. It's really good. It's really good. I say really good. And it's still not, I'm gonna put pretty hard pressure on it now. See if it sticks. Now let me give it for at least 10 seconds. And it doesn't stick. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It doesn't even stick. But if you do it like this, yeah, it sticks. When you're done with that, I guess, you want to get some, oh, there it is. You want to go get some hand soap. This is a jelly kind, look. You hear that? It's jelly. You want to just add a little bit? Yes. I add about this much. You can't see it because, it's you want to mix it in there. Pretty good actually. You want to keep mixing it and mixing it. You don't want it to not have any hand soap distributed evenly. Okay? Good. So yeah. If you're gonna like this video, I'm gonna make a picture for all you guys. Just one little picture. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So yeah. Then you're gonna want to put it in the freezer for at least 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how strong your freezer is. So yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more. 1, 2, add 5 drops, but on this part I added 3. So last time I added 2, and this part I added 3 more, so it's 5. You want to keep mixing it, mixing for at least 30 seconds or 1 minute, like the usual. So yeah, make sure you get it in there evenly, because if you don't, something wrong might happen to it. Or you don't have to add hand soap at all. It's just if you want to. This smells so good. I love it. Look at this. I'm gonna poke it. Nothing. It's just leaving holes, and that's really good. Just a little bit, it leaves some residue. It's okay though. But then you're gonna have to put it in the freezer when you're done, when you think you're done mixing it. So yeah. Bye.